Hello and welcome back. In this finale for the coding, we determine whether is it a net win or net loss for the player. So at the end of the codings here, we'll do some print statement. And now we have these two print statements. The first print statement refers to the winning price, how much that you have earned from the sets that you win. And the second print statement refers to how much money you have paid to purchase all the sets. And now we'll see whether it's a win or a loss. Final result. If the winning price is more than the money out, which means that whatever that you win is much more than what you have paid out, you win. And then we'll calculate what is the differences here. However, if whatever the money that you put out is much more than whatever that you earn back, the net result is you lose by the differences in the amount. Now let's run this code. Press enter to begin. Similarly, we'll be buying 10 each. You get 5,000 plus from your sets, but you paid 17,000. The final result is you lose 11,000. And originally here, the total was generated up here, but we shouldn't be showing it to the players. So we will comment out this total. And at the end here, final results here, we'll do a print statement. Print actual total is, comma, total. So when you run this code, press enter, we have 10 each again. You get 1,000 plus from your sets, that's what you win, but you pay 17,000. Therefore, the net result is you lose 15,000. That's all for this coding. And this is the complete set of the codings for our program Pools, the lottery game. And now we have come to the conclusion of our coding. I hope you will enjoy this course as much as I do. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in future courses. Thank you.